Thousands of creators are opening Rumble accounts because they have heard it is easier to monetize than YouTube. But here is the problem. Most new creators are making the same mistakes. They create an account, they upload few videos, get little or no views, and then they quit. So before you upload your first video, wait, let me show you how to optimize or set up your Rumble account correctly. Avoid the biggest mistakes and give yourself the biggest chance to succeed. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelvin, the creator behind Grow with Kelvin. And on this channel, I show you the smart way to grow on YouTube, the things to avoid, the things to implement for your channel. So if you see this as a vibes and something you want for your channel, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So anytime I have a vibe like this, I will come here and share. You will be the first to know. Now, the first question we need to ask ourselves is, why are people joining Rumble? You need to get a reason on why people are joining Rumble so that you too know why you are going there and get a clue before starting. There are three main reasons why people are joining Rumble. First, creators are looking for alternatives. Many creators feel overwhelming with the competition on YouTube and want another platform where they can publish their content. Second is easiest monetization, which this is the one that attracts more attention. When people hear that they may not meet the requirement needed by YouTube for you to be monetized, which is your 1,000 subscriber and your 4,000 watch hour, they are so curious to go into this platform and start creating content. The third is beginners see it as an opportunity. Because Rumble is smaller, many creators think that they will have an opportunity or a better chance to stand out. Whether that is true or not, it depends on the quality of contents they are publishing. Now let's set up your account. We will start from creating a brand new account. So the first thing you will do is for you to go on your browser, be it you're using iPhone, you can go to your Safari, or Android, you can go to your Chrome, Edge, whatsoever browser you're using. When you go to your browser, just type Rumble. So I'll be showing you, I'll be using my phone to do the screen record. I'll be showing you everything on screen, how you do it from scratch to finish. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go to our Chrome browser. When it opens, the first thing you will do is you will type Rumble. You click on this search bar and then you type Rumble. The first one that says rumble.com, you click on it. That has this green icon, green triangle icon. So you click on it. You also have the app. You can also decide to download the app. So when you click on it, this is how the interface will show. We'll just wait for it to upload everything. So now when we are here, this is the interface. That is how we show when you just open it for the first time. And then first thing we'll do, we want to create an account. So we'll click on this sign up. We are here. Say create a Rumble account. Already has a Rumble account, sign in. So what we'll do is we'll put our email. We'll just use our email. After putting your email, you come to this month, your date of birth. You click on your months. I'll take my month first of May 2000. That's my government age. Yes, that's my government age. So click on where's 2000. It's down here. Click on 2000. So click on next. We're already in the process of creating our channel. So you just wait. So wait for it. It will show you a camouflage here for you to verify. Yeah, so it's verifying so that you know if you are a robot or you are a human being. Alright, so it's asking for us to verify if we are human or we are robot. So we'll click on it. We are human. So it's verifying now. Alright, so it's done verifying. So we need to input our basic info. So the basic info here, first of all, is our username. So which name do you want to put in your username? My username will be, I'll put Messiah for my nickname. I'll put Messiah. Then for my gender is male. Our country is Cameroon. And then we tick this button. After ticking the button, come here and tick next. So after that, it will still verify you again. It will still warrant you to verify it. Remember, follow every process you are seeing on screen. Make sure to follow the process till the end. So it shows me that this name has already been taken. So I will need to modify the name. I will just put Messiah 237 and then come back here and take next. So it is normal. If the username has already been taken, you cannot use it the second time. So you just have to do something to modify it. Yes. So now it's asking us to put our password. So make sure it says to keep your account secured, choose a password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, at least 8 characters, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, at least one number, at least one specific character. So I'll put my password like this. I'll put the same password I've been using all over my accounts, and then I add one specific character there. Yes, and then come here and put the same thing. Put the same thing and then hit next. So make sure your password they are the same. The one you put plus the confirmation, it should be the same. So now they're asking me to verify my email. So they are going to send me an OTP. So I should check my spam folder if I don't see the email. So they are going to send me an OTP. So mind you, I have set my Gmail in a way that whenever they send me a message, I will receive a notification. So I've just received a notification now on screen. This is the password. So I will just copy it, 429602. So that's it. So you come and take next. It is going. So after that, will show us to take us to another interface. Remember to follow everything you are seeing. So after that, our account is set. You can see the interface have changed. We can now see videos directly. Everything has been good. People are already uploading here. Look at. You can see for yourself. Welcome to Rumble Messiah 237. Let's figure out what content you are into. So Rumble is asking for my interest, what I'll be interested in. So I'll just find my interest. So Grumble is saying, what are you into? What am I into? Is it sport, gaming, news, health and science, music, podcasts, entertainment, finance, and crypto? So what do you think we can choose here? Seeing that this channel, I want to start posting faith-based content. What do you think we need to choose? I want to hear. I want to hear in the comment section. So I will just take podcast. I'll choose podcast, and then you can choose like 3. So I'll take podcast, entertainment, music, and then we take next. So now they already know what I'm into, what I will be doing. So here are people who are doing similar things I'm doing. Donald Trump, we have, you see, those are people who are doing podcasts, who are into entertainment. So I can decide to follow them. I can decide to follow few of them so that I will be updated whenever they post. I just choose those 4 creators and then hit next. And then so here we are now. You can see those are the things they have been showing. The people I followed, they have just been showing me their contents. Yes, you can see. If you click on your profile icon, there is something here you need to see. Account setting. You click here, you see account setting. Go to account setting and set your account. What you want, how you want the account to be. Now you can put your full name now here. That's where you put your full name now. So now here I will put that the name I wanted to put at first, which is, come up now, the Christ-like TV. Yes, I'll put the Christ-like TV. Phone number, you just leave it like that. Zip code, you can put your zip code. Payment method, so payment method here is paper. Most of the payment method here is paper, so you'll be putting your address, your payment method, everything here. So your zip code, you can, if you don't know your zip code, just go and type your address and they will give you your zip code. So me, I'm in Cameroon. Our zip code here is, just put, okay, here is my state. My state is Southwest, and then city is, I'm in Limbe now presently, Limbe, Cameroon. And then street, we'll start here, street address, Limbe, Cameroon. Most of our places we don't have street address. So I'm in my two, I'll just put my two. Still my two again. And then a city, we have put Limbe, state, Southwest. And then zip code, which is postal code. Cameroon, we don't have zip code. We just put 00237, or you can put 0050. You are good to go in Cameroon. That's how it goes. So we have set all these information. For the phone number, you can leave it like that because we'll be needing a phone number to verify, but not now. I will show you that one later. So billing info, this one you can just leave this one. These ones are not necessary now. And then you save the change. So after that, you will save. So everything has been saved. So they said they have sent an email to confirm my change. So the email have not yet come. So we'll wait for the email later. We can do that later. So the next thing we'll do here is we need to now set up our account properly. So we come to, you see these three dots, you come there and then click on your profile. You are seeing updated detail, but they are not active yet. The next thing we'll do now is for us to upload our first video. Yes, you can go back and do that optimization very well for your channel. So if for you to upload your video, you click on this plus icon. You see the plus icon, you see upload video, go live, Rumble Studio. So you click on upload video. So when you click on upload video, you see upload, share and license your video. So you click on this upload icon. So we hit on browse, so that we'll choose the right video we want. So we hit on browse, and then it will carry us to the gallery where we are to choose the video. So this is the video here. We'll click on the video. So after you have clicked on it, it will come here, and then you come down and video information. You put your title, put description, your category. You have the primary category. So this one I'll be putting the category under. So you see entertainment, you have finance and crypto, cooking, health and science, how to, and then we have sports, vlogs. So we'll put it under podcast. Yes, we put that under podcast. So here you can put your thumbnail. Yes, you can set your thumbnail, and then come down here and put tags, add a related video, future video on the top of your profile. You can still click on it, and then you have visibility. We have public, we have unlisted, we have private, we have schedule, and then we have send mobile pull notification to followers. So you can click on it, all your followers will be notified that you have uploaded on Rumble. So the next thing you do is for you to click on upload. Immediately you click on upload, everything will be good. You are good to go. Yeah, so I want to show you something before we hit that upload. So that is how you can create your account, optimize it, and start uploading on Rumble. But there's one thing I want to share with you, which is the mistakes most creators do on Rumble. Mistake number one, uploading and disappearing. Many creators just upload. If they don't see any growth, they just disappear and say, this is not working for me. Mistake number two, exciting about money. Monetization does not mean quick revenue. It will always take time for you to start pulling that money you want to see. Mistake number three, treating Rumble like a shortcut. Mistake number four, uploading low quality content on Rumble. The content you upload on YouTube, you can also upload them on Rumble. Mistake number five, focusing on platform instead of viewers. Because even though Rumble has easier monetization, does not mean that you will get the money easier. It takes time. So it is viewers who bring the money, not the platform or the easiness of the monetization. So here is what I want you to do. Don't limit yourself only on YouTube. Post on Rumble, because Rumble is one of the platforms that is just growing and it will give you advantage, a lot of advantage for you to make more money, or you double your stream of income. So post on YouTube the same content, post on Rumble also. Find out you know how to create your account, how to optimize your account, how to upload videos on Rumble. Tell me, are you going to start creating videos on Rumble, or you will still wait? If you find this video helpful, subscribe to Grow with Kevin and turn on your notification bell so that you will receive more updates like this. And also leave a thumbs up on this video so that YouTube can push this video to more people who like you, who wants to see contents like this.